Hip abduction. This means you're taking your legs from being closed to open, activating your glute medius, which is your side butt, as they call it in the industry. Main adjustment is on the side here, next to the seat. To get in it, you want the pads to be as close together. So this is as close as they can get together. That's the range I want to work with. The second adjustment is your weight stack. Make sure that you move your weight stack before you get into the machine. Getting into the machine in this format is very easy and simple. Get your legs in place, okay? At this point, grab a nice upright seated position. You have handles to the side to help you maintain that good posture. Breathing in and exhale as you abduct for your first rep. In control, breathing in, exhale once again, squeezing the legs as far away from each other as possible.